Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study general science for railway exams. First, thoroughly review the official syllabus to understand the scope of topics covered. Next, identify the weightage given to different science sections, such as physics, chemistry, and biology. This helps you allocate your study time effectively. Finally, analyze previous exam papers to pinpoint frequently asked questions and high-scoring areas within general science. For physics, concentrate on foundational concepts like motion, force, work, energy, and electricity. Understand their definitions and applications. In chemistry, focus on the periodic table, chemical bonding, reactions, and common compounds. Make sure to grasp the basics before moving to complex topics. Regularly solve numerical problems from both subjects to strengthen your understanding and improve problem-solving speed for the exam. In biology, dedicate time to human anatomy and physiology, plant systems, and common diseases, including their causes and prevention. Also, gain a solid understanding of environmental science, covering topics like ecosystems, pollution, and conservation. Create flashcards or use mnemonic devices to memorize important scientific names, classifications, and significant discoveries. This will help you recall facts quickly during the exam. Consistent practice is key to success. Regularly attempt full-length mock tests and solve previous exam papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, analyze your performance to identify weak areas. Create concise, handwritten notes for quick revision of challenging topics. Additionally, stay informed about recent scientific and technological advancements, as these can often appear in the general awareness section of the railway exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.